What's up, YouTube? This your boy Old School Car Fanatic checking in on this beautiful Saturday. Well, I know I ain't posting no content in a while, man. Still taking care of business one thing at a time. You know, priorities always got to come before fun. But I've done a lot of detailing on the Buick LeSabre. She is clean. I'm going to give y'all a little walk around what I've done today so far. Let's start up right quick. She a little cold. She been sitting. A little cold. So, finally fixed that rear view mirror. Got that adhesive on that. Got that drying. So we can hang that back up. Vacuumed out the inside. Put the floor mats back in. Cleaned out the trunk. I will be getting the music redone. I gotta get it rewired because the amp keep cutting off with a hit. Everything brand new, so I'm gonna get me some PVR 6x9s and put them on the amp, and also some tweeters. A little bit at a time. Do a wash, detail. Oh yeah, put some brand new windshield wipers on today. Brand new windshield wipers. Did a quick little bust down. I ain't started it, man, I'm gonna say since before Thanksgiving. So I just want to do a little bust down on it real quick, you know. Wash it down, wipe the windows down, cleaned it up. She look good. Good. She run good. I got it up for sale, man. I don't know if I really want to sell, old girl. All OG, man. 68,000 original. I need to wipe that, clean that. 68,000 original miles. Only thing that is not original on this car is the exhaust, the radio, and the headlights. And some of the aftermarket upgrades I put on the motor, but I think you'd like that. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen, for the 2010 Mercury Grand Marquis. Patiently waiting. We're gonna go ahead and get the wheels and get the lift on that. I'm gonna put that in the paint shop after that's done. Give me a couple weeks waiting on some coins, you know, it takes time. One thing at a time, but you know, I got patience and we're gonna get it done. You put your mind to it, you can do it. Just want to say appreciate everybody out there that's watching and subscribe to the channel. If you are subscribed or not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. It's your boy Old School Car Fanatic. Peace.